whether I need more stuff in my shed.
Yeah, but you do. You always need more stuff in a man's shed.
The wife might argue otherwise. Dad, if you're watching, you're going to have to tell me if you want me to stop stop buying you birds. It's a set of micrometers. Hang on. Micrometers.
Robots in disguise.
No, nothing like that. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have driven to Norwich. We are at a yard sale event which has
That many.
can you see that? 400 stalls. 400! There's no way we can get round 400 stalls, even if we had the entire day.
It's insanity.
And we've got till what, 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Anyway, we are a little bit early, but we can see somebody setting one up, so we'll go and see if they're ready to receive customers. We have a Jeffrey. Say hey, Jeff.
He's itching to get out.
Yeah. Right, let's go. Good morning.
Hi. Jeff. Right, Nick.
Hello. How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad.
Have we met before?
No.
No.
I've seen your video.
This is our first stall today.
Yeah, mine too,
We're actually
yeah.
a little bit early. Oh, I haven't organised the boot yet. Right, quickly. Just some Tom Gates books and Kath Kidston shoes with caps on. They're rather cool. Never seen them before. Right, I'll sort the car out later, I think.
Jeff's been digging for Britain, so now he's going to be all muddy.
Oh, lovely, muddy Jeff. Good morning.
This morning.
The dreaded rain is
I know.
It said 11 o'clock, so I thought I'd got 2 hours.
Feel free to move in closer.
I just marched straight
Yeah,
over
we're
there.
just relocating.
Lovely, okay. Oh, you've dropped something here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Tread on it. Right.
She is.
It's my dad collects these things. Whether Dad wants any more, it's another question, but he's going to get another one. Right, who would like the money? There we are. So we have another bird for my dad. Dad, if you're watching, you're going to have to tell me if you want me to stop buying you birds. And it's
I won't be offended.
it sings. It sings. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Early bird.
Yeah.
The
So
rain.
so many stalls. If you don't get going at the beginning, you won't get around half
Yeah,
of it. It's
that's true.
huge.
Yeah,
I've never seen one
it's
so
really
big.
big, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Well,
you're not from around here?
no, well, we moved to Norfolk late last year.
Oh, right.
So we've only just started doing the jumble trails up here. We're from Hertfordshire. So we could get a lot more
again.
from it. Hello again. We're following each other.
Everybody on the
They're going to say hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. How much are your books down here?
50p.
Okay. I might grab those two then. We'll grab those.
Start down.
Oh, what's that? A Welsh dragon, is it?
Yeah.
What did you want for the little bag of the guns there, actually?
Well, that's a little foreign thing. 50p?
Yeah,
I
let's do
wouldn't,
that then as well.
Do anything. Lovely, thank you very much. All right.
Cheers, have a good day. Right, so a bag of Nerf, 50p, a couple of what look like brand new David Walliams books, 50p each. I really need to sort the back of the car out. We're supposed to follow the arrows. There's arrows up the road.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
David? Oh, the big guy.
Yeah, really funny.
Yeah. Well, we haven't found a great deal yet. I've seen some interesting pricing as well. Morning.
Morning.
This way. Thank you. I'd stopped filming, but we passed a stall that we'd already looked at, and they were just putting this guy out. It's a Chewbacca mug. So I thought, he's coming home with me. Isn't that the coolest thing? Jeff, look, meet Chewy. Yeah, not bothered. It's got a signature on it. Interesting. Max Collie.
It's worth a fiver.
Okay.
Well, the Denby months?
Yeah, I just wondering what sort of prices we've got on
Well, that's a tricky one because what I was thinking was, because obviously they are Denby, and I was thinking maybe, possibly, £2 each, but 6 for £10.
Okay.
We didn't go on the Denby
Well, I
in
mean,
the end. We could
it
do,
wasn't
but
terrible pricing, to be honest. I was just the volume of it, and
do we need more breakable stuff right now? But we
I'm
could
trying
always
to be more
come
picky,
back.
I suppose, at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those the old man coming past with like the football cards. Oh well, sweet. Really? Oh, he left. He tried to buy the table. What table? That table. Oh.
How much is that?
I'm not sure actually. Just like £3.
3.
Yeah.
And the Bionicles there?
Is that that? I'll tell you. £3 as well. Yeah. No, not like that. I've got £2 change. Come and get it from putting in there. 3.
Perfect.
Cheers.
Right, nice one.
Have a nice day.
Right, sealed Top Chomps football double pack thing and some Xbox One games. Yes, Jeff, I know, we're coming. You can get out of the next one. And hello. Yes. He's like, why can't I get out every stall, Dad? What are you being noisy about, Jeff? Just so you know, he gets out at most of the stalls.
Yeah.
But we just ran to this one, parked right by it, and we left him in the car for not more than 2 minutes. Just so you're
and it's
aware.
not a hot day today.
No. Morning. Is that okay for a minute?
Of course, yeah.
Alright. Right. Yes, something in the way.
Yes.
Right, let's have a rummage. I looked down, there was a man there. I looked up and you were a lady.
Transformation. I don't know how I did that. I'll be back in a
Oh,
few
okay, no
secs.
worries. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. Okay, I bought a couple of bits from the chat with all of the media there. A couple of bits of vinyl, Donna Summer and a Ringo Starr. This Roxy Music box set I paid £6 for. It's a really nice item. I briefly looked up completed a second ago, anywhere from sort of 15, 20 all the way up to 40. So, but yeah, nice item. Couple of these, sorry I haven't a clue, 50p each. Andrea's walking ahead with Jeff. He's having a bit of a stroll about, so I'm going to catch up with them now. Do you want to come with me? Why are my wipers on? What's going on? Right. Let this car go. Right, don't fall off. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? She's gone down there with Jeff. Whee! Well, we can't find this one. It's marked as here, this house, but it's not set up. So whether they just didn't set up or the pin's in the wrong place, we're not sure. Jeff, are you weeing on everything?
Right, I don't know which is the best way to go because there are some in here, Meadow Rise Road. But is it better to go back on ourselves? I think, yeah, better to go back on ourselves and down Meadow Rise Avenue.
Sure.
And into here.
Yep. Come on, Jeff, you're in a mess. You're all tangled up. There we go. Oh, in here, right. Okay.
Well, you know, the weather's...
Yeah,
yeah, at the moment, isn't it?
It did try to rain. How much did you want for your
For the Lego Ferrari.
Lego Ferrari?
Good question. I should have thought about this before, shouldn't I? I think something like that, probably £5.
That sounds doable, I think.
They just, yeah. Got too many glasses. I sit in the cupboard and sifting through the cupboard.
Well, questioning, do we need any more? We probably don't really. How many we've got a mismatch of them? They'll do.
Next one, the cats.
Quite interesting. What about these models? What would you like for those?
Make me an offer, I guess.
Have you ever got an idea on DVDs while I'm here? What are you looking for?
£1 each.
Okay, I'll have a rummage. Queen at Wembley. Right, so we have a very dusty Formula 1 Lego car. Queen at Wembley. And a couple of other models. Porsche there. And competition prototype. Not sure. Pit stop for Jeff. Oh, I fancy a drink now.
Yeah, do you want any Coke?
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's done. Let's water the flowers. Oh, right. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. I might have some change.
I left that like made up, so all
Oh,
the bits
wow.
so you can put like pens inside it.
That's kind of cool. Right. This is going to take us forever to get round because we're stopping and chatting to all the stallholders. What did you find?
Well, it's a Cathkiston type of a day because got some scales which kind of tempted to keep.
So for that and this we paid a £5. It's a 3D Harry Potter Wizarding World bus. Yeah, I need to organise the back of the car really.
Just mooching
mooching about really. It's just nice to get out and have a little walk, isn't it? That's a cute car. They do a very cute car.
Is that just one water?
That is a person in water.
Thank you.
Thank
You've
you.
got two, have you?
No, I've just got one.
Where?
Wonderful. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
fed children's house. Oh, they are, yeah.
Did you buy it?
Yeah.
Well done.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
So you don't, to get Cath Kids and stuff, you don't even have to leave the car.
What, is one yours and one Stanley's birthday?
Right. I will take that.
Yeah, of course, mate. Yeah, go for it. That's a free one. So,
Fantastic.
all good.
Let's see if we can find something to buy as well, shall we?
Yeah.
You just have to get
It's just nice to have a little declutter, mate.
Oh, we moved not long ago and we had a
Yeah.
full-on declutter.
Yeah, yeah.
It's quite therapeutic.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
I'm going to take those books, please.
Perfect. All right.
Right.
Yeah, so £7 in total. Lovely. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy those. They're really lovely books. I've read them all 2 or 3 times, and they're very fun. But yeah, enjoy. All right. Cheers, guys. What are you doing? Is that all yours? Blimey, you're making more money than me.
The table?
Yeah.
But you never get it in.
Yeah, I know. I heard you. I heard the sales tactics. That recently, so everyone that used to park on those streets now parks here. So, yeah.
Okay, I was just thinking it would be ideal for the room upstairs with stock in it and stuff.
You start asking.
Yeah, no. I mean, it's not too bad because obviously everyone there doesn't. Yeah, but that telly, mate, is not for sale, unfortunately.
Oh, is it not?
No,
Oh,
the
okay.
telly in the Barbie.
I'll stop looking at it.
Yeah, I know. It's lovely. It still works. Still good. A little black and white.
Does
but-
it really?
Yeah,
It's a
radio as well.
fascinating thing. It's got cassette on the
Yeah.
side. and-
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
going back a few decades, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
You did.
I mean, all of the kids are perfectly happy
Found
with that.
anything you
It's the adults,
fancy?
isn't it? All the boys are moving the ball around that 3K, weren't they, stuff.
Do you fancy that one?
Yeah, exactly.
It involves words, so I'm in. But
Yeah.
Bye.
virtually there. Got a brand new sealed toilet flush for free. DS game. And a couple of board games and other bits and bobs. And we just bought a table and a bureau. But we've got to come back for that. Hello there. You've done well. Good. Good. Would you consider a £5 for the 2 bags?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah? Go on then, we'll do that. Thank you. Right, I found some Playmobil, got 2 bags of figures. Had to pay £5, but there's loads in there. Biscuit down.
Daddy, I can
£3. Or bit Rod Stewart. That's Art Deco. It's genuine art for that one.
Yeah. There's a clock in there you might be interested in.
Councils in England and Wales have called for a ban on the sale of disposable vapes by next year. The local government association says that cardboard packaging and such flavours appeal too strongly to children. At one point,
Right, in here is a Cath Kidston butter dish. The base is below. Put that in there somewhere.
Definitely a Cath Kidston time of the day.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting windy.
It is, it's really windy.
Right, so it wasn't filming there, but what have we got?
So my Cath Kidston Day continues.
Oh, it's tagged.
Yeah, and they were £1 each.
Oh, so's that one.
Yep.
And that one's not.
But it's a nice condition. It's got one little mark, but inside it's all lovely.
No, that's a nice condition. And a bunch of media, because why not?
I've never seen that cover.
No, I've not seen that cover. Murder, She Wrote.
Oh, wow.
And A Sealed Scream trilogy. Yeah,
Cool. Right.
good stuff. At the pace we're going, there's no way we're getting around anywhere near 300 or 400 stalls. I think we'd be lucky to do 50.
Yeah, we will be.
But we'll keep going.
We'll do what we can do.
Want a canoe? Wow. £50p a box.
You know you want some screws, take a tray,
Wow.
a tray, look. You can't go wrong.
That's a lot of screws.
You can't go wrong, that's a lifetime's worth of screws.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
You're not wrong. How's it going? You have much custom?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's been crazy.
Excellent.
You can take a whole toolbox for a £5, look.
Oh, good lord.
Just take a toolbox, that's a £5. Pick a box and take it. Come on, you buy one spanner. It's
Oh, I know.
cost you
I'm not
more than
arguing
that,
at the
look.
price. It's whether I need more. It's whether I need more stuff in my shed.
Yeah, but you do. You always need more stuff in a man's shed.
The wife might argue otherwise.
Yeah, but she's looking at Christmas decorations.
I know. I know. They go in the loft.
Looking at a topper.
Oh. Go on top of your tree.
I don't know.
You're very good at this. Are you in sales?
Yo.
See what?
Oh, we don't want a singing dog. We're going to let you down now.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Surely there's something that you want.
And I haven't got room for a canoe in the car. Terrible.
I'm sure that'll fit.
Well, I don't know what I caught on film, but that chap was hilarious. He was trying so hard to sell me some stuff, and we walked away empty-handed. But it was fun. It was a good laugh. We're on a main road here. It's super busy. I need to move. Hello. What goes with your other weird green
It does, doesn't it?
shapes?
Yeah.
No?
I don't think I'm
Not
into
interested?
anything.
No worries. It's half of the bionicle. Right, a couple of clamps for me. Jeff's getting all the attention today. Right, Jeff. Everyone thinks you're adorable. Right, let's see what's down here. On the Playmobil bits here, I mean you've got 5, 4 and then 3 on the ferry. Have you got a price in mind for to clear it all?
5.
You've got 5 for that set and then a 4, I don't know if that's a set with those, and 3.
That was on its own, then these are individual ones.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so that's 5, that's 4.
3 down there.
The ferry whole thing is 3, yeah. And I don't know what she was going to have these as. These are all other sets of different bits and bobs.
Figures and stuff.
So they don't
Quite
really
cool.
go with the plane or the thing. But yeah, if you want to take some or all happy to do a...
Yeah, I didn't know if you had a price in mind to clear the Playmobil and
what's that?
give me a deal on the lot.
9, 10, 12. I mean,
12
these,
and then a couple of bags of those.
12, these are probably a quid each, 13, 14, but for a tenner. Yeah.
That sounds like a plan. Let's
Cool.
do that if you're happy.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, it's just done that. It's tipping it down all of a sudden. So I think that sale or that purchase came out. I just bought all of the Playmobil that gentleman had for £10. He was happy to do a deal on the lot. Fire engine set, an aeroplane, a bunch of figures and a ferry. Quite happy with that. There was a couple there with the biggest bag full of Duplo ever, and before that we missed out on a massive collection, well big collection of Happy Land for a couple of quid, which was a bargain. But there you go, you can't win them all.
No, you can't.
We're a bit damp now.
A little bit.
Where are we going? Straight on?
Well, yeah, there was one back there, but it was just hammering it, so
Yeah.
we ran for the car.
Ugh.
And I'm covered in Jeff hair.
Covered in Jeff hair.
Yep.
And raindrops.
Hair and rain.
Hello.
Oh, thank you very much. Look, I've just enjoyed it. I've just made it all right. Thank you. Bye bye.
See ya. Striper Joe.
Striper Joe.
Well, it's getting nearer the end of the day. We had a while when it was raining and we went off to find some lunch.
Yeah, that
and
was fun. Get
and a
stuck
toilet.
in the city traffic.
Yeah, got stuck in traffic. So it's kind of winding down now. I'm not sure how much more I'll film. I can see a few down this road, so we'll take you to these, see what we find.
We're just randomly meandering now, aren't we?
Yeah, loads of stalls closed down when it rained, which is fair enough. It was a heavy storm. But people are setting up again. There's one over there. It's so windy today. Interesting.
So cute.
Just had his summer trim, but we left
Oh,
his ears.
have you? I like it.
Yeah.
You feel so soft. So great 'cause we meet so many dogs that come past.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
brilliant.
Yeah.
Hey.
These are great. These are very social events, really, aren't
I know, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah,
to,
yeah,
you know,
absolutely.
meet people and have a chat and...
they? Clear out some stuff.
Exactly, there we go, yeah.
Excellent. Right, you found anything or no? Okay. Alright, thanks for letting us know. See you later. I could try Jeffrey with a treat.
He would love that.
Jeffrey?
Jeffrey!
Is he a West Highland Terrier?
He is a Westie, yeah. 10-year-old Westie now.
Aww.
Yeah.
A distinguished old gentleman.
Well, that's one word for him. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got a 12-year-old Labrador who's amazing.
Really nice. Oh, it's prices up there. Xbox games, £5 each. It's windy. It's really windy. Right, we weren't filming there, but got some goodies. That's an awesome Playmobil dinosaur, aren't you? Yes, I am. He was.
Are you delirious?
He was chucked in for a tenner with your bags. What?
I bought a bag.
Oh, a bag.
I bought a.
What's this then?
Cushion covers. I bought a Snoopy bag because I can't resist a Snoopy bag.
Snoopy bag and cushion covers. Are these?
Yeah. Well, I thought
keepers?
we could. Yes, I thought we could refresh our cushions on the sofa.
Cushion covers, and then tools. It's a set of micrometers. Hang on. Micrometers.
Robots in disguise.
No, nothing like that. In a nice little wooden box. Woo.
And I've got some lip balm.
Oh, lip balm. Oh, and a towel.
Oh, it's runny.
Is this a keeper? I'm guessing we're not going to resell a
Yeah,
towel.
I thought it'd make a nice guest towel.
Guest towel and some soap as well.
Oh, that's really runny.
Right, onwards.
Nice.
What's up, Jeff? Right, I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog here because the whole thing's starting to wind down anyway, and I'm running out of battery on the GoPro. So we will draw a line under this one. If we find anything more that's exciting, it will be in a haul video on the channel soon anyway. But yeah, that was fun. What, it was an amazing amount of houses, like I said, somewhere up to 400 supposedly. The rain kind of killed it early on, and then there was a big storm about half hour ago.
There's some people that have, you know, carried on.
Yeah, well, this street they've all set up again.
Yeah.
So we're going to carry on mooching about, but I will end the vlog here. If you want to carry on watching us out and about finding stuff, check out this one in between our heads. Till next time, take care, we'll see you soon. Bye.